Hey, what up? What if I told you today we're gonna vlog? How would you feel about that? Would you be like, oh my god, actually, today we're gonna vlog. It's a big day. I have a lot going on. I have work. It is, what time is it? It's 7:25 in the morning. It's actually 6:25. The clocks just went back because I live on the East Coast. Strawberries. And I'm about to open my job, but my coworker isn't here yet, and he has the key. Shout out Sam. Shout out Sam. Who was texting me? Oh, he just texted me. He said I might be 2 minutes late. Speak of the devil. Is it too good? Don't you remember? Yeah. I thought that I was, and you said you loved me. Yeah, the song was gas. Guys, we've been open for almost half an hour and we haven't had a single customer.
Hey.
Say cheese.
Cheese, motherfucker. Oh, sorry.
You can curse. It's fine.
No, not on the day of the Lord.
Not on the day of the Lord. It is Sunday, but yeah. See if this lady's coming in. She might jog right past. Yep, she's
Keep on
jogging.
jogging.
She's jogging right past.
Keep on jogging, motherfucker. Father, father.
It's something that you feel it. Y'all, alright, I just got home from work. Long ass day. Good morning.
Ooh, baby. Weenie. What are you doing? What are you doing, Nub?
All right, everybody, guys. We've been open for like 20 something years. Guess what? We finally got Barista milk.
Barista 8. Dude, look at the sun coming in.
Yeah, that's the lighting right there. But we're gonna do a taste test of my decaf iced coffee and the Barista milk. So,
Dude, we literally made a video similar to this, like, was it in the fall? Like
Yeah.
last fall. Like fall 2023. Or 2024.
2 falls ago.
Wait.
It was two,
No, it was fall 2023, so 2 falls ago.
hashtag 2 falls.
That's what she said.
Look at that cream. Who needs sound effects when you have Sam? Ooh, that's good. It's like creamy. I think that I'm drinking a lot of not water today, but I have a long day ahead of me. Do you want to try it? Is that why you're making that noise?
I won't use the straw.
You don't have to use the straw.
Not horrible.
Not horrible at all. Let me show you all the fit.
That's what she said. That's what she said. Want me to get it for you?
Yeah. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Alright, so the fit I have on today is a sweater I thrifted from Goodwill.
From Goodwill.
Underneath, we have a t-shirt that is this painting. I don't know what it's called. But I got it at the Vatican in Italy. And you know what? Hashtag Italy. Yeah.
Let's go to church and pray. Yeah. I went to church and I prayed. I prayed. I've been sinning. I said God sometimes.
Allison hemmed these jeans, guys. She's incredible. I don't think that she works on clothes, but she worked on a couple of my pants like last summer. She's an amazing lady. I will always speak highly of Allison. She could literally commit triple homicide, and I'd be like, I love Allison. Hashtag love Allison. Hashtag Love Island. It's a TV show you guys should watch. I don't watch reality TV unless it's selling sunset. Do you have any words of Okay. Back to you. We're at the Groove Ground. Also, guys, I think my job's gonna shut down for like renovations, so
We're about to live in boxes, yo. Oh, I
about it.
probably can't say that.
I think we are gonna live in boxes. So it's gonna be pretty exciting, I think. I think it's gonna be a new beginning for all of us. And yeah, I think I'm going down with the ship, which I did not expect to do. This job was supposed to be temporary, and I've been here for 4 years, so.
Dude, isn't that the worst? Like thinking about it, I'm like, yeah, I was gonna get a summer job 2.5 years ago, or 2 years ago, and now I'm still here.
This was supposed to be my transitional job into another job, but I've been here for a long periodically time.
They just treat us so well. We're like, you don't want to leave.
Yeah. Yeah. Something like that. I'm going to school. Hopefully you can't see my address. My address is right by my front door. That's why so yeah. I'm going to school, gonna work on my screenplay and print out my screenplay, and then I'm working on a 10-page screenplay. So it's gonna be fun, I think. I'll catch up with you guys later. Goodbye. Guys, can I get you on my YouTube vlog?
Your interview? What?
I'm not gonna record the whole thing, but I'm being interviewed. Okay, goodbye. All right, guys, I'm ending the vlog, but I just wanted to say that my job is closing. I'm very sad. I don't know what to do with myself. I am glad that I won't have to take orders at this bitch anymore, but I am kind of sad. I've been a barista for a very long time, and I've made really great friends here, and I've spent my early 20s here and have grown so much as a person here, and have met really amazing people, like customers, coworkers, and I've been able to network into doing other things from this job, like, you know, I've met people in my aspiring career working here. Like it's really kind of strange being a barista, but I'm gonna miss it. Yeah, I'm gonna miss being a gay little barista. I made that my personality for years. This is my outfit. My boobs look huge today. All right, I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Alright, I want to show you guys my bird feeder that I just got. Gonna try not to dox myself here, but I put it on one of my favorite trees in my yard. It's pretty awesome sauce. Here we go. Okay, first off, look at this tree. And then this is the bird feeder. So, yes, I got it in, hold on, 1 second. Sorry, I had a cut there, but I got it in this green color. And I put hot peppercorn so the squirrels don't eat it, but the birds do. So, yeah. But yeah, spring is springing. I think spring is like technically here. This is like all just blooming and beautiful and unreal. So it's pretty nice, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I hung it up yesterday, and the woman I bought it from said it'll take a couple days, but can we just admire this really beautiful tree? It is like absolutely bananas and bonkers how pretty it is. So yeah. All right, thank you guys. All right, there's Maddie at the front door. She's giving me the side eye. She knows I'm filming her. I don't think my dog likes to be filmed, but if you're just gonna chill by the front door, I have rights. I can film you, little baby. All right, I'm ending the vlog. Thank you so much for watching if you stayed till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed. I filmed over a couple weeks. My life is not that interesting right now, so it took a long time to shoot this. But anyway, I'm logging off, and I appreciate everybody who stayed till the end. If you did stay till the end, please give it a thumbs down. Give it a thumbs down. Be different. Don't give it a thumbs up. Give it a fat ass thumbs down. Anyway, have a great day today and tomorrow, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.